That's incredible. Really, really delicious.
This is hard because it's so good.
I think you're gonna find that my dish is gonna just eat this one out. Not that I'm bragging.
Fiber is an essential nutrient that plays a key role in maintaining digestive health. A diet rich in fiber has been linked to lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and can lower cholesterol levels and improve blood sugar control. It's important to consume a variety of fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds.
I went to my doctor and they did a cholesterol test, and I was shocked to find that my cholesterol was really, really high. One of the things that I learned was that fiber is actually a crucially important thing for your heart health.
It's good for my health. It's good for your health, right?
Nowadays, I feel like people associate high fiber with something that tastes pretty bland, that's more or less healthy for you, something that you should be eating, but not necessarily something that you want to be eating. I think my dish is gonna win today because not only is it extremely high in fiber, but I think it will show a different way of approaching vegetables and dishes that are high in fiber.
I would be really insecure if I said that my dish wasn't going to win, so I think the right answer is, yeah, of course it's gonna win. It is packed with fiber.
I want it to win. I'd love it to win, but I feel like people will love it. I love it. So the dish that I brought this time was a minced beef stew. It has sweet potatoes in it, peas, carrots, mushrooms, ground beef, onions. Oh, I forgot, cilantro. We always have cilantro. Back home we call cilantro dania. It's an easy recipe to make, and growing up, that's one thing that we always ate. You go to a Kenyan household, they know how to make this particular stew.
Okay. It smells really, really nice, very earthy.
Which makes me think that this was stewed and had a lot of time for those flavors to really come through.
Wow, this is really tasty.
Everything is married so beautifully, so I'm getting little hits of everything all at once. If I could, I would eat it all right now. I think it almost tastes too delicious to be like really healthy.
There's a lot of beef and not a lot of vegetables. You're not generally going to get fiber from the meat products. It's mostly the vegetable side.
In terms of flavor, I think this dish beats mine hands down. On taste alone, this dish gets a 10 in my book. Easy decision.
So I would definitely say this is like a 7. The flavor is really there. But because my dish has more fiber, I suspect that my dish probably edges this out a little bit.
The dish that I brought today is called a Buddha bowl. I've got tricolor quinoa, potatoes, chickpeas, and roasted pumpkin seeds with a fun mixture of turmeric and black pepper, a little bit of cayenne, some paprika, some avocado, lemon juice, honey, and then the pièce de résistance, a tahini oil. I finished that off on the side with a very carefully roasted bed of kale chips.
It's not necessarily hitting my mind, but it looks delicious.
I would like it just to be a little bit more bright with the flavors.
I can definitely taste the tahini. Tastes very good. I don't feel like anything surprised me though.
Everything in there is full of fiber. So if I was looking for something that was, full of fiber and light, I would definitely be happy with something like this. I would say it's about a 5.
It's definitely above a 5, so it's a solid 6. The flavors they're safe flavors, I guess.
So what I made was, you can call it Omar's cilantro and lime chicken. There's chicken inside of the dish. There's quinoa, black beans, corn, kale, a little bit of cranberry, some lime juice, and some lemon, and just a touch of garlic, chili pepper.
Ooh, wow, that looks beautiful.
This looks gorgeous. I like the colors.
I love the flavors. I love how moist the chicken is. It doesn't feel dry.
The drippings coming off the chicken adds a lot of flavor and actually makes me want to dig into the foundation of the meal where all the fiber rests.
I think they did a really good job mixing the ingredients together to make it high fiber.
I'm not sure how cohesive the dish is entirely, just putting a chicken thigh on a bed of quinoa.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this dish a 9.
Based on taste alone, this dish is an 8.
I definitely think this dish could win the competition.
You won the competition.
kidding me. The experience, meeting the competitors, tasting their dishes, way, way, way more stressful than I thought it was gonna be because all of their food was good. I had hoped that I had done enough to win, but I was definitely not sure in my mind. No question about it. Gordon Ramsay, I'm coming for you.